Dayton Industrial Company Limited is a vertically integrated developer and manufacturer of state-of-the-art microelectronics. We are your one-stop solution provider to the design, development, and quality production of products that give you a leading edge in today's competitive market.
With experience of over half a century, Dayton is committed to serving companies in 6 major markets: sports and fitness, navigation and outdoor watches, e-mobility, home energy savings, sensors for smartphones, and consumer electronics. Dayton understands the demands our customers face. Factors such as abbreviated development cycles and economic pressure to bring products to the market competitively mean that there is no room for error. You can be sure that our customer-focused team, led by our top management and supported by specialists from various departments, will take you from concept to production within the framework of your project window. In short, we'll help you get to market faster, all at higher quality and lower cost. The headquarters in Hong Kong are located in Kwai Chung, next to the container port. The 22,000 square feet company-owned property houses our R&D, engineering, sales and marketing, QC and logistics departments. The R&D department has engineers from all backgrounds, including specialists in firmware and hardware development, radio frequency wireless communication systems, microsensors, display technologies, mechanical and manufacturing engineering. Our engineers have years of experience and ongoing education to keep them on top of their respective fields. This in-house capability allows Dayton to develop world-class products and facilitate timely changes to meet market needs. Dayton utilizes design for manufacturing guidelines for physical designs and mechanical assemblies, including board layout with recommended land and circuit patterns, component selection and footprints, edge clearances, optimal penalization, parts installation, judicial guidelines, fasteners and interconnections. DFM enhances parts commonality and handling, ease of fabrication and assembly, and effective attachment methods for electronic and mechanical assemblies. Ultimately, products cost less and are more reliable. In terms of features and functions, accuracy and current consumption under actual operating environment, deliverables from engineering undergo carefully designed QC testing and validation protocols before reaching our customers. Dayton's structural electrical test ensures our clients receive defect-free products of the highest quality and long-term reliability. Our advanced test equipment reduces incidents of failure and drives process improvements. Kendi Electronics Dongguan Limited, the group's manufacturing base in Angli, Dongguan, China, is about 30 miles from Hong Kong. Door-to-door from our head office takes only 2 hours by car or direct train. The latest ISO 9001 certified manufacturing plant occupies over 100,000 square feet. Kendi is both the first certified ESD-controlled factory and the first certified design and manufacturer of marine safety equipment in China. Sensitive information is strictly controlled by the CDC department to ensure timely and relevant information is available to the responsible personnel. The engineering department in China works side by side with our Hong Kong R&D team to ensure timely and seamless support through daily communication and frequent on-site visits. A vertically integrated plastic injection and tool-making facility adjacent to the assembly plant provides full custom tool making up to DME standards with industry's shortest lead time. 100,000 class clean room with fully automated injection machines fitted with robotic arms provides the highest quality of precision plastic parts under meticulously controlled parameters. With the latest Japanese-made servo-controlled injection machines and complementary testing, printing, painting and assembly facilities, Dayton enjoys uninterrupted supply of pre-assembled and well-tested housing parts for concurrent electronics manufacturing. Beginning with planning, we strive to control costs, minimize lead time and inventory exposure. This process includes supplier capability review, on-time delivery and quality performance evaluation, failure analysis, and closed-loop corrective action. Materials are then classified for storage in the general material warehouse or controlled material warehouse, depending on their storage characteristics. Latest SMT machines combine speed of up to 100,000 components per hour with the ability to place any component, fine pitch, BGAs, QFPs, chip scale BGAs, CSPs, flip chips, and O201s. So whether building prototypes or running high volume inline production, Dayton can answer virtually all surface mount placement needs. Every PCB is inspected before and after the reflow process to ensure 100% quality yield. With the latest ASM fine-pitched high-speed bonding machines, automatic epoxy dispenser, together with our in-circuit testers, Dayton can meet the needs for professional multiple ICs chip-on-board production efficiently. Pad pitch of up to 80 microns, pad space of up to 24 microns, and ultra-thin epoxy coating of 0.9 millimeters is achievable. Every production unit in the subsequent production process follows similar precise calibration and robust testing for functionality, current consumption, RF performance and waterproofness to ensure our products perform reliably under the most challenging conditions. Especially for high-frequency products, our 2.4G digital testing protocol validates frequency, power and pairing of multiple devices to ensure interoperability under the most demanding environment. We know that people really do make a difference. This philosophy is evident across our assembly operations, where highly skilled and experienced operators apply their in-depth knowledge to meet our goal of zero defects. Using the very latest assembly technologies and processes, our advanced manufacturing solutions are built to be right the first time, every time. At Dayton, we believe that quality is the ability to consistently provide products, service and value that exceed our customers' expectations. Dayton is committed to this challenge and continuously works to improve our day-to-day operations in all facilities. Dayton understands and respects the faith and confidence our customers place with us when it comes to order fulfillment. We provide same-day response with real-time inventory status and support worldwide shipment. Dayton knows that in addition to experience, expertise and resources, a successful business is all about the execution. Leveraging Dayton's innovative technology, collaborative design engineering, cost-efficient manufacturing and product quality, our customers gain the competitive edge for sustainable business growth in the years ahead. Partner with Dayton today and watch your business grow. Call us now on 852-2422-4404 or email us at info@dayton.com.hk.